Welcome to MacNeil Tech, the wash experience. Today we're talking about our all-in-one motor control center featuring our integrated tunnel controller partnered with Kesseltronics. As we move inside our all-in-one integrated motor control center, there's several features that we'd like to showcase that separate us from others in the industry. First, our web-based input-output control module links to an onboard router that gives you remote connectivity anywhere in the world. We also provide secondary low power sources to give you 24 volt and 120 volt here in the system itself. Next, we'd like to direct your attention to our onboard VFDs that come pre-programmed for the factory and not only give you power consumption savings, but also provide necessary safety features. And lastly, we'd like to bring your attention to our pre-wired final connection terminations. All of these features combined give us our MacNeil Integrated Motor Control Center, which gives you ease and cleanliness in your back room.